I slapped Sarah a few times. She slapped me back.
Oh wow! The very cool संध्या किसकी कैट फाइट के किस्से खुल्लम खुल्ला शेयर कर रही हैं।
We were slapping each other a lot.
वैसे संध्या, आपको पता है ना कि आपकी एंग्री यंग गॉडेसेस को स्टार सारा आपके बिल्कुल पास में ही खड़ी है।
I slapped Sarah a few times. And I slapped her back. She slapped me back. Yeah. So we were slapping each other a lot. No backstabbing, only slapping.
देखा आपने, यहाँ कोई कैट फाइट नहीं हो रही है, बल्कि संध्या और सारा इस फिल्म की बाकी टीम के साथ मिलकर रिपोर्टर्स की टांग खिंचाई कर रहे हैं। वैसे ये बंच ऑफ फनी गॉडेसेस, I mean फनी गर्ल्स हमें दिखी एट द रेड कार्पेट ऑफ देयर फिल्म एंग्री यंग गॉडेसेस एट द मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल। Like the title of the film, यहाँ इस फिल्म की कास्ट मेंबर्स सारा जेन डायस, संध्या मृदुल और अनुष्का मनचंदा साड़ी में दिख रही थी लाइक रियल गॉडेसेस। The team has been showered with praises for this film और जब इनसे फिल्म के लिए इन्हें मिले बिगेस्ट कॉम्प्लीमेंट के बारे में पूछा गया, तब उन्होंने कहा,
Just I think the fact that they laughed and cried, and 1600 people 3 times, 4 times over,
and the
laughed
standing
at
ovations,
every joke,
compliments from the men
cried
more than
and
the
felt
women
us.
actually. Yeah.
I think they didn't have to say much, that was the biggest compliment. They just felt they filmed with us right through.
लेकिन हमें लगता है कि ये लड़कियां तो जैसे यहाँ आई ही थी सबका मजाक बनाने के लिए, and they hardly gave straight answers to any of the reporters' questions.
You guys were planning to take this film home. Want Salman Khan to see this film?
We want everybody to see this film, and it's not just about. I mean, yeah, apparently I wanted to invite him for a screening. I heard about it when I read the paper. Yeah.
अब सलमान भले ही इनके कमेंट सुनकर खुश ना हो, but looked like the girls didn't care. They were on a high with the kind of response that this film has been getting.
We are thrilled. We are very happy. It wasn't easy for us to make this film. In no way was it easy. And we've done it. And we are here. And we've showed in many countries. And now we're showing in our country. And we're extremely nervous. But we are really, really happy that a film like this is being seen today.
और शायद इन टेढ़े जवाबों से तंग आकर मीडिया के रिपोर्टर्स ने भी इनसे ज्यादा सवाल नहीं पूछे।
Okay, thanks. Done. Thank you.
वैसे इस रेड कार्पेट पर सिर्फ फिल्म की टीम ही नहीं बल्कि और कई सेलिब्रिटीज ने शिरकत की।
सर झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार।
Kiran Rao spoke about her high hopes from this film.
ट्रेलर से हमें बहुत कुछ एक्साइटिंग चीजें हमने देखी ट्रेलर में, तो मुझे बहुत उम्मीद है इस फिल्म से।
Kiran, who is closely related with this festival, shared Amir's reaction on the success of the festival this year.
He's been very excited that the city has kind of come together. This year we have more than double the number of registrations than last year. People are so supportive. People are so, kind. So he's been really happy about it. He was very nervous for me.
आमिर की बात आई तो किरण ने उनकी फिल्म दंगल की भी डिटेल्स दे दी।
It's a film about a man, and you see a journey of this character. So there is a section of the film in which he has to play his younger self, because in the film he's playing an older man. So he's a wrestler in the film, so he has to play the wrestler at his youth, at his peak also. So to become a wrestler at his peak, like a national level wrestler, it's going to take a lot of work, and he's going to start working on that from January.
And she also went into details about his weight loss, weight gain regime for this film.
It will be done in a systematic way. We've kept enough time, and it's going to be done very scientifically with the help of nutritionists and physical, experts. So yeah, we'll do it properly. Of course, it's a question of being able to do it within the shoot period when we need to shoot it. But we've kept it for the end so that, because it's just not so much work, but so we kept it towards the end.
लेकिन अपने फिल्म रिलेटेड प्लान्स को लेकर कुछ भी रिवील करने को तैयार नहीं थी किरण।
There was a news saying that you and Ayan Mukherjee is going to direct a short film. How true is that, and who is the cast for that?
I have no idea. I'll ask him, but I don't know anything about it.
और यही एक स्मार्ट रिपोर्टर ने मौके का फायदा उठाते हुए किरण से ये भी पूछ लिया कि अकॉर्डिंग टू हर, will Amir be conferred the national award for Dangal?
Oh, I have no idea. You know, actually, I think for Amir, he always says that it's the people who award me. I don't need anybody else. I just need the audience's response. I need their reactions. That's the most important. He always says that.
Now that is Pakka Mrs. Amir Khan answer. Kiran also told us which of Amir's films would she like to watch again and again.
One film of Amir that he can watch again and again and again.
Again and again and again. I think Lagan.
How sweet किरण। वैसे हम आपको बता दें कि लगान के सेट पर आमिर और किरण पहली बार मिले थे। वैसे इस रेड कार्पेट से मिसिंग रही विद्या बालन, who had shared with us her wish of watching this film at Mami.
Angry Indian Goddesses का ट्रेलर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था. I don't know whether I'll be able to make it in time for the premiere, पर कोशिश करूँगी कि मैं जाऊँ.
Anyway, we wish the film's team all the luck and hope that Angry Young Goddesses lives up to the kind of buzz that it has created.
सर झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार